You are now watching Showbiz Now, your daily showbiz update. Buong pagmamalaki ngang ibinahagi ni Vice Governor Mark Leviste at ang kanyang anak na si Situ na nag-donate sila ng isang napakagandang room at ito ay kumpleto. Hindi lang ito may aircon, ito ay may kumpletong computers at matindi rin ang nasabing floor and ceiling nito. Dahil ang floor at ceiling nito ay donated ng mga anak ni Chris Aquino na si Josh at si Bim. Habang si Chris Aquino naman ay donate ang mga salamin sa nasabing rooms na iyon na nagkakahalaga nga daw ng 80,000 pesos. Proud na proud ngang ibinahagi ni Sito, ang anak ni Vice Governor, ang naging suporta sa kanya na mag-iinang sila Chris at Bimbi na kahit na nga ito ay nasa kondisyon na siya ay naggagamot at malaking ginagastos ay nandoon pa rin ang kanyang kamay at handang tumulong. Sa naging post ni Mark Leviste sa kanyang Facebook page, sinabi niyang feeling proud at Matabungkay National High School, presenting the Senator Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr. E-Library. Ang sinasabing library ay ipinangalan nga sa ama ni Chris Aquino. A legacy and passion project of Leon Vice Mayor Ronin Leviste and my 16-year-old son, Conrado Leviste. Pagkagaling ko sa Santo Domingo Church para sa paggunita ng ika-40 taong anibersaryo ng kamatayan ni Senator Ninoy Aquino kahapon, dumiretso ako sa aming bayan ng Lian, Batangas kasama ang aking bunsong anak na si Sito Conrado upang magsagawa ng ocular inspection sa kanyang ipinagawang e-library. Yan ang naging bahagi nitong si Mark Leviste. Aniya, I was overjoyed to see that all his efforts and hard work paid off and that the project is almost finished with only a few furnitures and materials lacking. Young as he is, I am very proud of his accomplishment and interest to help others, most especially in the field of education and information technology. Through the guidance and support of his elder brother Ronin, they were able to solicit donations from various organizations and personalities such as Smart Communications Incorporation, for the desktop computer, Mitsubishi Air, care of my cousin-in-law Andre C. for the split-type air conditioners, Tita Chris Aquino, TK, Josh, and Bimbi Aquino for the windows, and finishing amounting approximately 200,000 pesos. Naalala ko nung nasa Amerika pa kami ni Situ na ikwento niya kina TK at Bim ang kanyang advokasya sa Matabungkay National High School at ang agad-agad nilang ipinaabot ang pagtulong at ang paghanga at pagsuporta kay Situ. Sinagot ni TK ang mga bintana samantalang nag-ambag sina Bim at Kuya Josh mula sa kanilang personal savings upang matapos ang proyekto. The e-library should be ready for use in time for the opening of classes next week. However, we shall continue to work on getting other equipments that will be needed to complete the facility, and hopefully we'll be able to inaugurate it on November 27, 2023, coinciding with the birth anniversary of Senator #Ninoy. I cannot thank you and gentle giants enough, ML. My heart is full, as always, to all of you. Sinabi pa nitong si Vice Governor Mark Leviste na abangan nga daw ang pag-update hinggil sa library na iyon na kanilang idonate sa Matabungkay High School at abangan din daw ang kanyang love life. At iyan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners, and thank you for watching Showbiz Now.